Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over my Pelican 1510 case, what I keep inside. First things first, I do keep stickers on it. For the one reason of I can track it if I have it somewhere else where there's other cases around. And just to personalize things. At the end of the day, people know what a Pelican case is and what's in it. So why try to hide it? I do have a lock system in the car that can tie down to just in case I do step out the vehicle. It makes it a little harder for people to break in and take it. But at the end of the day, if someone wants it real bad, they'll take it. All right. I've yet to opt into buying the laptop carrier or storage for the lid. Right now it's just a styrofoam. I do keep a microfiber in here at all times just to clean up stuff, lenses, etc. First compartment, I keep my Sony A7IV. I do usually have my Sony G Master 24-70, but currently it's filming. As well as a diffuser dome for my Godox V1. It is collapsible, so it's an added benefit. And a Rode micro mic. Always need one. As well as some silica packs because I do live in South Florida. Well, Central Florida now. Put that right back in there. Up here I have my Sony 70-200 f4. It's barely gets any use nowadays, but still good to have. As well as some spare lens caps and body caps. And of course your little silica pack. Right over here I have my DJI RS3 horizontal plate bracket. Currently has a vertical bracket on there. As well as this little pouch that carries some variable ND filters as well as other filters. Right over here, I've got this booger sucker, as we call it. I have a Tamron 17-28 2.8. I also carry a few spare batteries with me, knockoff brands as you can tell. I do paint them blue just so that I know which are mine. Alright, right up here I've got some sensor applicators or sensor cleaning swabs, as well as a Altura camera lens and sensor cleaner, and some spare microfibers just to have around. Put that back in there. And of course you've got to have your, K&F Concepts cleaning wipes. In here I've got the Pelican Case. Wallet. I don't use it as a wallet because I have a wallet, but it carries my business cards in there. Next to that, I've got my vlogger or bowling, whatever brand this is, RGB light. It's great. Has different settings to it. Changes colors, etc. In here, I've also got my trusty little small rig SD card holder. It's a mess now, but that's that. Ooh, almost lost that guy. And then I've got in here a Holy Land lav mics, wireless, comes in a case. It charges itself, which is really cool. Next to that, I've got the X Pro S for the Sonys to control my Godox V1. In here, I've also got a tripod mount or a little bracket to put the flash on when it's off camera. I've also got my 17-28 variable ND filter in here. Put that all right back. That's what I carry in that one. Everything else that does not fit in here is usually in my Wandrd Bookbag. Here is my Wandrd Provoke bag. Here's the case for that LED panel I keep. Here's Mr. Guacamole. In here, typically I carry other accessories that I do have or use, as well as a GoPro and other things of that nature. Up in the little pocket here, if it's not a laptop in there, it's my agenda, for my calendar, for my scheduling. This little pocket here has a suction cup for the GoPro charger, and then a Sammark selfie stick for the GoPro. In here, I've got another battery pack with a flashlight, GoPro Hero 11, various mounts, clips, etc. Got a Smatry made in China, cold shoe, hot shoe mount for the GoPro. I've got my head mount, and right in here I carry a couple extra GoPro batteries. Again, painted blue so I know what's mine. Here I've got my BagSmart bag. In here I keep lots of little things. It's always a little fight with the zippers. But it's got all my cables, Apple to USB-C, Lightning, HDMI cables, etc. are all in here. In the bottom compartment, once I get it open, I've got a battery pack, Sony battery chargers, CF card reader, SD and micro SD card reader, and then the battery charger for my flash.